Good morning, pag-usabang kapuso, balik sa GMA Regional TV Live. Karong buntaga, hisgutan ta kining pagbukas sa klase sa kolehiyo na sab mga kapuso. Badayon bagyod kining Agosto 24 nga school opening ubaka masayo alang sa uban nga mga colleges ug universities. Magpakisayod ta mga kapuso gikan sa Commission on Higher Education. Makauban nato ilang Regional Director Dr. Maximo Alhibe. Good morning, RD.
Hi, good morning, Sir Nico. Glad to see you.
Thank you so much, RD, for joining us this morning. RD, kumusta po ang ating mga higher education institutions? Matutuloy na po ba ang school opening natin by August po, RD?
Sir Nico, salamat for this opportunity and to inform our publics, tuloy na po yung pagbubukas ng klase natin by August 24 or earlier by September, on September. Yun po ang pinalabas na advisory ng Commission on Higher Education na pag blended learning ang method natin, delivery, ay dapat magbubukas later this August. August pa.
Ano pong setup sa college, RD? Mga universities at mga colleges po?
We have 185 higher education institutions dito sa Region 7 at lahat naman po ay handang-handa na sila. Karamihan may mga reports na dumating sa office namin ay medyo limited pa rin po ang online because of some problems like connectivity, yung area nila mahina ang signal. So our colleges and universities are still on the go when it comes to enrollment. Very limited pa. Last year po, meron tayong about 228,000 students. Sa ngayon, ang enrollment pa lang natin na base sa datos na binibigay sa atin, wala pa hong 100,000 ang ang 200,000 plus, all levels na po yun, across levels. Ang data pa lang ho na dumating sa amin, more than 20,000 pa lang ho ang naka-enroll. But heavy pa ho ang enrollment ngayon up to August.
Saan po natin ma-attribute, RD, because of the pandemic din, sa crisis? Kaya medyo konti yung...
Yeah. Tunay nga po, because of this pandemic, very limited ang movement ng tao and of course, everybody is concerned about their safety, their health.
No face-to-face classes, RD? Bali online at blended po learning?
Opo. For now, wala pa akong advisory na ibinibigay ang DOH at saka yung CHED because we are coming up with a joint issuance circular insofar as limited face-to-face classes can be allowed or when it will be allowed, when it should be allowed. Our target is for areas that are under low risk, what's this? GCQ ba yun? Yung pinaka in between normal, GCQ and normal. May plano for a limited face-to-face classes doon sa mga modified low risk general community quarantine. But for now, wala pa po because we are waiting for the guidelines from CHED and DOH po.
For this was a statement sa DepEd, RD, na by January daw po yung target na limited face-to-face classes. Posible ba? Most probably din sa CHED din na level?
I suppose because mas malalaki na tayo sa tertiary higher education. So we are prepared. In fact, even before January, if DOH and CHED would be able to come up. But of course, we have to abide by whatever issuance or guidelines or advisory from IATF, especially from the Office of the President.
For those areas, RD, who will not be employing face-to-face po, sabi natin online at saka modular or blended learning lang po, how will this differ, RD? Kasi iba kasi sa mga elementary at high schools. For the tertiary level kasi, di ba may mga laboratories, may mga specific talaga na mga subjects na kailangan pupunta sa school yung mga students. How do we implement
Yun
this?
Yun po ang kinakraft ngayon ng commission. How shall we be able to get through all this because pag theoretical lang, pag virtual lang, mukhang, for example, in midwifery, you need to render a delivery of about 20, deliveries. So pag virtual, I don't know. But we are coming up with, certainly with the guidelines so that this virtual learning will be considered and in place of, the real requirements. But we need not compromise the quality and the standards.
Si Chairman De Vera also mentioned, RD, na yung mga you're asking yung mga malalaking private schools and mga colleges to support yung mga small HEIs. Is that being practiced also here in the region?
Yeah, in terms of, for example, I mentioned about connectivity or connect with one another. In terms of opening their educational resources to come up with learning content during these times, medyo mahirap po. So we need the help of the bigger HEIs.
Receptive at supportive naman, RD, yung mga malalaking eskwelahan po.
I'm very thankful. I'm very appreciative that almost all bigger HEIs in Region 7 are more than willing to share.
Pinapatanong po, RD, what will happen daw yung mga practicum ng mga college students, RD?
Well, yun nga po, yung guidelines is, for example, yung physical education, kasi may mga contact sports dyan, may, ang sabi namin, antayin natin yung guidelines. But there's that probability na yung mga laboratory ngayong semester, pwede siguro i-design na ipagpaliban next semester na. That's the initial plan. I'm not going to, preempt the wisdom of our commission in bank and the IETF. But for practical purposes, that's how I see it.
So despite all these challenges, RD, learning should continue.
Exactly po, exactly.
Finally, Director, message nyo lang po sa ating public, sa ating mga students, mga teachers din natin, mga instructors, what would you like to tell them po?
Education really is the greatest equalizer. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap, walang taga-probinsya, walang taga-syudad. Pag nakapag-aral, pantay po tayo. At yun po ang ating susi para sa magandang kinabukasan. So, wag po tayo magpapadaig sa pandemyang ito. Labanan natin sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaisa. Marami pong salamat sa Nico at mabuhay po ang GMA Region 7 po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And with that, we'd like to thank you for your time this morning. CHED 7 Regional Director, Dr. Maximo Alhibe. Good morning. Thank you, RD.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat.
Bubalik pa mga kapuso ang GMA Regional TV Live.